Okay, since I was on last, I was interrupted by a meeting, so I need to get reoriented. Let's check my log. Looks like I've been working on multiple cards. Now that's the one that had a redesign in it. We had a redesign step, something new that didn't show up in the others. Okay, so let's go look at our to-do list. And multiple cards. Well, we just did multiple cards. Now the question is, if I add kings and queens, is it really going to do anything different? I don't think so. There's no, like, tens are already handled. We could demonstrate that with maybe a mixed one. You know, why don't we modify the 7-8 test just really quickly? We'll change this to a 10, and let's make this 17. And I'm just confirming that, I'm not even going to commit this, but I'm just confirming that it in fact still works, because the only difference between that multiple cards test and the other one was that there were some 10s in it. Now I've mixed it. I've got some 10s and I got a 7, and that seems to handle it. So I'm just going to delete that and call it done. Not even going to bother committing it. It's just removing, because that would end up being a duplicate test that's testing the same code, right? Okay. But this one exercises more code, so this is a better test. So we do like that. All right, so now what about, looks like aces. We need to handle aces. All right, let's start simple. Here comes the first one. Aces 11. Let's stay with it, is 11. Okay, in this case, we can use a single card. We can do the assert card as value style. The card is A, so we're interested in 11 is the value. So we're going to use our special assert method, and hopefully that fails. Isn't it interesting that you hope it fails? Waiting for it to catch. There it is. We have a failure. Yay! All right. Fail. Ace is 11. Okay. Let's make a pass. We're good at this, aren't we? Wait, maybe we're not. Okay. So what's going to happen? It's being called evaluate. It goes to total. It calls evaluate card. That is where we're evaluating each individual card. This is where the logic needs to be then. Well, we did is 10. Why don't we just add an is ace at the beginning? So if is ace card, return 11. For right now, just to make this simpler, I'm going to go ahead and do card equals A, more direct, because I don't want to have to write in more code if I get this wrong, right? So let's see if that worked. It is now passing. Yay. So we passed. You notice I delayed the idea of writing a method called isAce because I was trying to get to a green as fast as possible. Now that I'm at a green, I would like this to be parallel constructs. So let's add an isAce. Okay, and replace this with that. Save it, check that it still works. We're cleaning it up. That looks good. All right, returns 11. This is passing. I don't need this comment anymore. Anything else I need to do? I think we're good. Okay, so let us go ahead and call this clean. Oh, it's checking the test. Yeah, okay, test pass. Clean. That was a fast cycle. All right, next video, we're on to the next set of aces.